Eros. The human energy body is bundled in 7 centers, corresponding to 7 energetic worlds. For most people, the second lowest attracts the most attention. It stands for sexuality and erotic life. At the same time, we find the greatest abuse and the most profound aberrations here. Why is that? We are here in the innermost treasury of life, the generation of life. Love itself descends into the depths of physical existence and creates itself a pure expression in the act of procreation. And for us, an ecstatic rapture that is the only one we have in the realm of physical existence. We experience a moment of self-forgetfulness, of complete surrender. The person's separateness is for an instant dissolved by merging with another being, sometimes with existence itself. This is love, fusion, oneness. And this is what gives the act of procreation its intensity and magical attraction. Even if everyday practice rarely reaches this height, and often, be it as a needy satisfaction, gives way to a dull, though very intense feeling of physical well-being, the sublime nature of love works in the background. And ultimately, all the longing is directed towards it.